Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add friends in Minecraft for Nintendo Switch. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, to add friends in Minecraft on a Nintendo Switch, ensure that you have a Nintendo Switch online subscription. Also, after that, make sure that you sign into your Microsoft account. Okay, so why is that? So Nintendo Switch online subscription is required for online play. And the second one is a Microsoft account. Okay, as you must be signed into a Microsoft account to cross-play with friends. Now, to add in a friend, finally, just tap on play. And then you'll be able to see at the top, you have social. Tap on it. Now, go to scroll all the way down and just tap on search for players. Now, you can share your QR code right here or copy your gamer tag and then just send it for your friends to add you. Or you can go ahead and do it right here. Okay. Just type it down, just like so, and then you'll be able to see the person right here. Just tap on add, and then just wait for them to confirm you. Okay? And that is how you add friends in Minecraft for Nintendo Switch. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.